Hello again. Welcome to another lesson with me, Margaret. Nice to see you. Today we are looking at pronouns. The subject pronoun. I. So you can see it's pointing to himself. I. You. This person's speaking and he's pointing to the other person. You. I. You. It's a boy. He. Girl. She. He. Boy. He. Girl. She. Okay, let's have a look to see how much we can remember. I. You. The boy. He. It's the girl. She. Dog. We don't know if it's he or she. We don't know. We use it. Even if I had a pen, I would say it, or my mouse. It. So they're the single pronouns. Now we're going to look at the plural pronouns. We. You can see they're both pointing to each other. We. Looking at a big group. They. Watch. They. We. So include you, include the person. We are together. We. Looking at a group. Oh, look. They are my friends. They. Okay, let's look at these now. Let's see what we can do. I've got some of the cards on my board, the same as what you've seen. Let's have a look. I. Ooh. Ah. I. We. Together. We. No, that's single. That's the dog. And that's the boy. Still single. Ah, there they are. We. It. So we don't know if it's a he or a she. It. There he is. It's our dog. It. He. Oh, it's definitely not this one. That's a plural pronoun. Nope, because that's a girl. There he is. There's the boy. He. They. Oh, I can remember. Can you remember what I said for this one? They. Ah, group of people. Not me. Not with me. A group of people over there. They. Okay. Ah, this one. They. Well done. She. It's the girl and she's there. She. And the last one. Can you tell me? I'm going to take it off the board. What pronoun is this? Well done. It is you. That was a great lesson today. Well done. So that was a lesson on pronouns. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.